Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2026. It's second round action, and the scores are Jonathan Grant High on 6, Ardenne High now on 3. They lost a point for the theatre and cinema question. The answer that was accepted is not correct. The actress is actually Kate Hudson, not Catherine. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Jonathan Grant High, it's time for your first minute. Jonathan Grant, in the Bible, what did the prophet Elisha make float in water?
An axe head.
Correct. Which specific human blood cell type produces antibodies?
White blood cells.
No, B cell or B lymphocyte. Using the word storm, give an expression which means to make a big deal over a minor issue.
A storm in a teacup.
Correct. Who won the 2024 Mexican presidential election?
Claudia Sheinbaum.
Correct. In which country is the Tocumen International Airport?
Ghana.
No, Panama. What is the capital of Uruguay?
Montenegro.
No, Montevideo. Which British reggae band achieved massive global success? UB40. Covalent bonds are always formed between a metal and a non-metal. Is this statement true or false?
False.
Correct. What is 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 50?
0.
Correct. Who played the voice of Oscar in the animated film Shark Tale?
Will Smith.
Correct. Who was the last pharaoh of Egypt?
King Farouk.
No, Cleopatra the 7th. That's the end of the first minute for Jonathan Grant. Now to Ardenne High for their first minute. Ardenne, in the Bible, who was the first Gentile convert to Christianity?
Paul.
As recorded, no, Cornelius. Which gland in the human body is also known as the hypophysis?
Hypothalamus.
No, pituitary. Using the word swallow, give an expression which means that one good event does not mean everything is all right.
One swallow is not worth a dozen summers.
No, one swallow does not a summer make. Who is the Russian foreign minister?
Pass.
Sergei Lavrov. In which country is the Juan Santa Maria International Airport?
Mexico.
No, Costa Rica. What is the capital of Cambodia?
Phnom Penh.
Correct. Which song written and originally recorded by Jamaican singer Eric Donaldson in 1971 was
Pass.
covered? Cherry O Baby. In an electrochemical cell, reduction occurs at the cathode. Is this statement true or false?
It's
True.
true.
Yes. What is 24 divided by open bracket 2 cubed, close bracket minus 8?
That's 8 minus 8. 24.
No, minus 5.
Okay.
And that's it. That's the end of the first minute for Ardenne. Now back to Jonathan Grant High for their second minute. Jonathan Grant, in netball, how many points is a successful shot worth?
3.
No, 1. What is the name for a device that stores electric charge?
Capacitor.
Correct. How do you say by accident in Spanish?
Feliz Mue.
No, por accidente o sin querer. Which South African author wrote the poem, It is the constant image of your face?
Klamaki.
No, Dennis Brutus. Which Jamaican film includes the soundtrack Guns Out, Threat de Massen?
The harder they come.
No, Shutters. In the Bible, which apostle said to a beggar, silver and gold...
Peter.
Yes. What is the name for a genus of single-celled parasitic protozoans transmitted by mosquitoes, especially infecting liver cells and red blood cells?
Anopheles.
No, Plasmodium. Spell solitude.
Solitude.
Correct. Which country elected Javier Milei
Argentina.
as
Argentina.
president? Correct. Which sea is the lowest elevation land
Dead Sea.
point? Correct. Which desert covers most of Botswana?
Sahara.
No, Kalahari.
Next one.
And that's the end of the second minute for Jonathan Grant. Now back again to Ardenne High for their second minute. Ardenne, who played the voice of Angie in the animated film Shark Tale?
Pass.
Renee Zellweger. In which country did the first industrial revolution begin?
United Kingdom.
No, great. Yes, we'll accept. Which country won the UEFA Euro 2024 football championship?
Italy.
No, Spain. What property of sound determines loudness?
Amplitude.
Correct. What is the Spanish for in the meantime?
Por mientras.
No, mientras tanto. Which English author wrote the poem West Indies, USA?
Earl of Leith.
No, Stuart Brown. Which actress starred as the lead character, Marcia, in the 1997 Jamaican film Dancehall Queen?
Martha Griffiths.
No, Audrey Reed in the Bible. Who was given a name which means father of nations?
Abraham.
Correct. What is the name of the process by which molecules of a solvent pass through a semi-permeable membrane?
Osmosis?
Yes. Spell cynical.
CYNICAL.
Correct. Who is the Prime Minister of France?
Emmanuel Macron.
No, Sébastien Lecornu. And that's the bell. End of the second minute for Ardenne. Now back to Jonathan Grant High for their third and final minute. Jonathan Grant, Try Everything is the title of a song featured in which 2016 animated
Pass.
movie? Zootopia. What is the oxidation number of chlorine in NaClO3?
+5.
Correct. What is the square of 27?
729.
Correct. Who played the lead role of Barbie in the 2023
Margot
film?
Robbie.
Yes. And which Roman emperor made Christianity the official religion?
Constantine. The Great.
No. Theodosius the First or Constantine the First? No, Constantine legalized it. Which Jamaican netballer was named World Netball
Trisha
Player of
Robinson.
the Year?
Trisha Robinson.
No, Shamara Sterling. Light travels from air into glass at an angle of 30 degrees. If its speed in glass is lower
Pass.
than in air, refraction. What is the Spanish verb beginning with the letter P that means to lend?
Pointier.
No, prestar. Who wrote the Caribbean novel The Lonely Londoners?
Samuel Salvan.
Correct. Which Jamaican folk celebration includes masquerade characters and street performances at Christmas?
John Canoe.
Correct. Good. And that's it. End of the third and final minute for Jonathan Grant. Now back to Ardenne for their third and final minute. Ardenne. Which layer protects Earth from ultraviolet radiation?
Ozone layer.
Correct. Which ocean surrounds the Maldives group of islands?
Indian Ocean.
Correct. Listen is the title of a song by Beyonce.
Dream Girls.
Yes. What is the molar mass of carbon dioxide?
12 plus 16 times 32. 12 plus 32. 44.
Crystal Ball.
Yes. What is the square of 33?
969.
No, 1089. Which actress starred as Celie in the 2023 film adaptation of The Color Purple?
Cesar Revo.
No, Fantasia Barrino. Which treaty ended the First Opium War?
Treaty of Nanking.
Yes. Did you say Nanking?
Nanking.
Nanking? Yes. Which Jamaican athlete became the youngest ever world under 20?
Tina Hibbert.
No, Tina Clayton. A mass of 2 kg moving at 12 meters per second collides with a wall and comes to rest at 0.5 seconds. What is the average force exerted?
So that's like what? 48. 40 newtons?
I believe the bell came before your answer, though correct. So that brings us to the end of the third and final minute for Ardenne. The end of our speed challenge and the scores. Jonathan Grant High on 22, Ardenne High on 15. We go to the break with a good word from True Milk. Look at the big picture. Remember why you're working hard. It's for your future. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge that will decide our winner. Stay tuned. Round 2 action in TVJ Schools Challenge 2026 returns right after this.